Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's trace and paint them together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. One cat sleeps. Two birds fly. Three dogs play.
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse.
Four cars go.
The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone.
Five flowers bloom.
Stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
6 kids laugh. Seven butterflies dance.
The itsy-bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
8 monkeys jump.
The sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy-bitsy spider went up the spout again.
9 fish swim. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Please like and subscribe to my channel.